How to make a game pass in Roblox. Simply I'm open my any browser, go to search option, search set to Roblox. Open Roblox and log in my Roblox account. Follow the top bar, press on to create option. Then I'm get this interface. Follow the left side showing it to creation. Showing it to my create experience. Just tap on to open. Follow the left side. Go to monetization section. Press on this arrow option and showing it to passes. Create pass and just set image and write name, add description, and finally press on to create pass. That's it.